We're heading into week 4 of the Indoor Football League season. The Quad City Steamwheelers preparing for their second home contest of the season. The Wheelers are 1-2 overall and come off a close 49-46 loss to the Orlando Pirates. The team says they learned a lot from that game and need to focus on the little things in order to build confidence and get some more wins. Quad City ready to play a complete game on all 3 phases as they get ready for the Green Bay Blizzard.
If we don't make mistakes, we should win games. That's been in our first 2 losses. It's find a way to control, the things that we can, and whether that's decision making when we have the ball in our hands, protecting the football at all costs, and really just controlling ourselves with penalties. Last week we had more penalties than we've had the first 2 games.
For me, I learned this, we did make a lot of mistakes, but I'm glad that we made the mistakes that we know we could get fixed at, because especially for defensive standpoint, all the turnovers, me specifically had 2 picks, Keyshawn had the pick 6, and we had 5 stops. We could, as a defensive standpoint, we need to keep making turnovers, because going to Green Bay, they're going to try us a lot.
The Steamwheelers will host the Blizzard Saturday night at 7.